Weather's getting better. I think today it was like 78 degrees, clear blue skies, nice and beautiful. And you know what that means, y'all. Just got to take a moment to enjoy the world we live in. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just got to go out, be one with nature, and cleanse your palate. That's what it's all about. I mean, I worked till about 20 minutes ago when I clocked out. I'm out here on my bike. Just figured I'd take a moment to just come out and enjoy it. It's really important just to take moments and embrace the world that we live in and keep ourselves grounded. Anyway, love y'all. Stay humble.